The crinkle cut. These fries are easily identified by their wavy, corrugated shape, which is created using a specialized ridged braid. Because of the increased surface area provided by the peaks and valleys, they tend to hold onto dipping sauces like ketchup or cheese much better than smooth fries. They are a staple of school cafeterias and frozen food aisles because their structure allows them to stay crunchy even when baked in an oven.
The waffle fry. Created by rotating the potato 90 degrees between each slice on a corrugated mandolin, these fries feature a distinct lattice or crosshatch pattern. The holes in the fry allow for even heat distribution during the cooking process, resulting in a unique texture that is simultaneously sturdy and light. They are particularly popular in the American South and have become the signature offering of several major chicken chains. The curly fry. These are cut using a spiralizer that turns the entire potato into a long, spring-like coil. Beyond their playful shape, they're almost always coated in a heavy, seasoned batter containing paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder before they hit the oil. This seasoned coating gives them an orange hue and a spicy kick that sets them apart from the standard salted variety. The matchstick fry. Similar to the shoestring, but even finer. These are often so thin they're used as a topping for sandwiches or salads rather than a standalone side. They are almost entirely crust, providing a concentrated burst of salt and oil. In some cultures, they are referred to as potato sticks and are sold in cans or bags as a shelf-stable snack. The Belgian fry. This is less about the shape and more about the specific traditional preparation method used in Europe. These are thick-cut fries that are soaked in water to remove starch, dried, and then fried twice, traditionally in animal fat, to achieve an extremely airy, crispy shell. They are famously served in paper cones and topped with a generous dollop of mayonnaise rather than ketchup. The home fry. These are typically diced into small cubes or irregular chunks rather than sliced into strips. They're most commonly found on breakfast menus where they are parboiled and then seared on a flat-top grill with onions and bell peppers. This method produces a rustic, charred exterior that differs significantly from the uniform crunch of deep-fried options. The tater tot. While technically made from grated potato scraps rather than a whole slice, these cylindrical nuggets are a core part of fry culture. They were originally invented in the 1950s as a way to use up leftover potato bits from the production of other cuts. The result is a crunchy, shredded exterior that protects a very hot, moist interior, making them a favorite for breakfast sides and casseroles. The tater tot. While technically made from grated potato scraps rather than a whole slice, these cylindrical nuggets are a core part of fry culture. They were originally invented in the 1950s as a way to use up leftover potato bits from the production of other cuts. The result is a crunchy, shredded exterior that protects a very hot, moist interior, making them a favorite for breakfast sides and casseroles. The shoestring fry. These are incredibly thin, often measuring less than 1/8 of an inch in width. Because they are so slender, they fry very quickly and result in a high ratio of crunch to fluff. Many high-end bistros serve them in large, tangled piles, sometimes seasoned with truffle oil or herbs to elevate their simple, crispy nature. The steak fry. Cut into thick, wide wedges, these are the heavyweights of the potato world. They prioritize the internal fluffy texture over crunchiness, essentially acting as a vehicle for the natural flavor of the potato. You will most often find them served in sit-down diners or steakhouses, where they can stand up to heavy gravies or thick cuts of meat without becoming soggy. If you enjoyed this look at every type of fry, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a deep dive into your favorite everyday items.
Let us know in the comments which style of fry is your absolute favorite to order. We have plenty more explainers on the way, so stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.